The residential architecture in Pakistan is very different from the US in the sense that developers don't really follow a cookie cutter design system which we see in American suburbs. Sometimes there are no sidewalks, and when you're not walking, the police keeps a good handle on things. But even with the police present, the drivers have a language of their own.
अच्छा ये लाइट अगर मारा तो क्या मतलब है इसका?
लाइट मारा मतलब आप कह रहे हैं कि मैं आप ठहर जाओ मुझे पहले आना।
ओह अच्छा अच्छा।
This is a glimpse of common folk and city dwellers shopping and eating in what we in the US refer to as outdoor shopping. Here we noticed the hustler mentality of Pakistani workforce cannot be ignored. This waiter here, for example, literally runs to put our order in so we can get it as fast as possible. Where he runs to is the kitchen. The kitchen mimics a system of factory line workers, also known as Fordism. This allows them to continue high volume production at such a fast rate.
हाँ ये क्लास के लिए और पूरे
Come on, let's go.
जादू जादू मिक्स है कोई स्पेशल
आप यहाँ पर विजिट कर रहे हैं सर?
जल्दी से
ठीक है
जी ठीक सुनाए ना आप जल्दी
क्या ये अच्छी है
हाँ बहुत अच्छी है
सब मैं क्या करूँ
पता नहीं आगे
वो तो मेरे ख्याल में आज छुट्टी है पति अंदर में चेक करें।
This shows you a police escort. The officers sit inside, but me and my cousin chose to sit in the back to get the full experience. Many times families will rent a van and drive up north to a wedding or something. Why not? I took this clip from the front seat of a staff car, made for military officers. But when an officer is not in the car, they take the flag off the flagpole, which you can see at the front of the car. We're going to an annual dinner for officers at a military base.